What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the automation battle everyone's been asking for, N8N versus Zapier. If you've been looking to automate your workflows and save hours of repetitive work every week, you absolutely need to know which platform is actually worth your time and money. Both N8N and Zapier promise to revolutionize how you handle automation, but they couldn't be more different in their approaches. Zapier is the established king of user-friendly automation that just works out of the box, while N8N is the open-source challenger that gives you unlimited power and control. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which automation platform fits your needs, your technical skills, your budget, and your long-term goals. We'll cover everything from ease of use to pricing, integrations to customization, and I'll give you my honest verdict on which one comes out on top in 2025. Let's jump in. First, let's understand what we're actually comparing here, because these platforms represent two completely different philosophies in the automation world. Zapier is the pioneer of user-friendly automation. Founded in 2011, they've built the most polished, accessible automation platform on the market. Everything runs in the cloud, the interface is intuitive, and you can connect over 6,000 apps without writing a single line of code. Zapier is designed for business users, marketers, and anyone who wants powerful automation without technical complexity. N8N, on the other hand, is the open-source automation powerhouse. It's designed for people who want complete control over their workflows and data. You can self-host it for free, customize everything, create complex branching logic, and integrate with literally any service that has an API. N8N also offers a cloud version, but the real power comes from the flexibility and customization options. The fundamental difference: Zapier prioritizes simplicity and reliability. It just works. N8N prioritizes flexibility and control. You can make it do anything, but you need to understand how. Let's talk about what it's actually like to use these platforms day to day, because this is where most people make their decision. Zapier is incredibly beginner-friendly. You sign up, browse their app directory, pick a trigger and an action, and you're automating within minutes. The interface is clean, the setup process is guided, and error messages are helpful. When something breaks, Zapier usually tells you exactly what went wrong and how to fix it. I've seen complete beginners create complex, multi-step workflows in Zapier within their first hour. The platform does an excellent job of hiding the complexity while still giving you powerful automation capabilities. Plus, their templates library means you can often find pre-built workflows that do exactly what you need. N8N has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're not comfortable with technical concepts. The visual workflow builder is powerful but can be overwhelming at first. You'll encounter concepts like JSON, HTTP requests, and data transformation that might be foreign to non-technical users. However, once you get past the initial learning curve, N8N becomes incredibly powerful. The visual node-based system makes complex logic easy to understand, and the ability to see and manipulate data at every step gives you unprecedented control. You can debug issues more effectively because you can see exactly what's happening at each node. The verdict on ease of use: Zapier wins for beginners and non-technical users. N8N wins for people who want to understand and control every aspect of their automation. Now let's dive into what you can actually connect with each platform, because this determines how useful they'll be for your specific workflow. Zapier absolutely dominates when it comes to pre-built integrations. With over 6,000 apps in their ecosystem, including every major business tool you can think of, from Gmail and Slack to Salesforce and HubSpot, chances are, if you use it, Zapier connects to it. These integrations are professionally maintained, well-documented, and regularly updated. What makes Zapier's integration special is their reliability and depth. They don't just connect to apps superficially, they often support advanced features and edge cases. Plus, when APIs change, Zapier's team handles the updates so your workflows keep running. N8N currently supports around 400+ integrations, which is substantial but nowhere near Zapier's numbers. However, here's where N8N gets interesting. Since it's open source, you can create custom integrations for any service with an API. The community is constantly building new nodes and sharing them. More importantly, N8N's HTTP request node means you can connect to literally any service with a REST API, even if there's no pre-built integration. This gives you unlimited integration possibilities, but requires more technical knowledge to set up. The integration verdict: Zapier wins for breadth and ease of use. N8N wins for flexibility and unlimited possibilities if you're technical. Here's where things get really interesting, and potentially expensive if you choose wrong. Zapier's pricing starts at $19.99 per month for their starter plan, which gives you 750 tasks per month. Tasks are consumed every time your automation runs. So if you have a workflow that triggers 100 times a day, that's 3,000 tasks per month right there. Their professional plan is $49 monthly for 2,000 tasks. Team is $69 for 10,000 tasks, and company is $199 for 50,000 tasks. Here's the catch with Zapier. As your business grows and your automations run more frequently, your cost can skyrocket. I've seen companies paying hundreds or even thousands per month for Zapier because their task consumption grew with their business. N8N offers multiple pricing approaches. You can self-host it completely free. You just pay for your server costs, which could be as little as $10 to $20 per month for decent performance. This makes it incredibly cost-effective for high-volume automation. For their cloud solution, N8N offers a starter plan at $20 monthly with 2,500 workflow executions, Pro at $50 for 10,000 executions, and custom enterprise pricing beyond that. The key difference? N8N counts executions differently. One workflow run equals one execution, regardless of how many steps it contains. The pricing verdict? N8N can be dramatically cheaper for high-volume usage, especially if you self-host. Zapier offers predictable pricing but can get expensive as you scale. Let's talk about the advanced capabilities that separate these platforms when you need to do more than basic automation. Zapier excels at multi-step workflows and has some powerful features like paths for conditional logic, delays for timing control, and filters for data processing. Their formatting tools are user-friendly and they handle data transformation well for most common use cases. However, you're limited to their predefined functions and logic structures. Zapier also offers excellent error handling and retry mechanisms. When something fails, Zapier will automatically retry, and their error reporting helps you understand what went wrong. N8N absolutely dominates in the advanced features category. The Visual Workflow Builder supports complex branching logic, loops, data processing, and even JavaScript code execution. You can build decision trees, handle arrays of data, perform complex data transformations, and create workflows that would be impossible in Zapier. N8N's IF nodes, switch nodes, and code nodes give you programming-like capabilities without actually programming. You can manipulate JSON data, perform calculations, and create complex business logic. The ability to see and debug data at every node makes troubleshooting much more effective. One area where N8N really shines is handling sensitive data. Since you can self-host it, your data never leaves your infrastructure. This is crucial for companies dealing with sensitive customer information or regulatory compliance. N8N also supports webhooks more comprehensively, making it easier to integrate with custom applications or services that don't have traditional APIs. The advanced features verdict: N8N wins decisively for complex workflows and data control. Zapier wins for reliable, straightforward automation that doesn't require technical expertise. Let me give you some practical examples of when to choose each platform based on actual use cases I've seen work well. Choose Zapier for standard business automation like lead management workflows. When a new lead comes into your CRM, automatically add them to your email marketing platform, create a task for your sales team, and send a Slack notification. Zapier handles this perfectly with minimal setup. Zapier is also excellent for social media automation, basic e-commerce workflows, and connecting popular business tools. If your workflow involves well-known apps and straightforward logic, Zapier is usually the faster path to success. I've seen marketing teams use Zapier to automatically post content across multiple social platforms, sync customer data between different tools, and generate reports by pulling data from various sources. These workflows just work and require minimal maintenance. Choose N8N for complex data processing workflows, like pulling data from multiple APIs, transforming it with custom logic, performing calculations, and distributing it to different destinations based on complex rules. N8N's visual programming approach makes these workflows manageable. N8N excels when you need custom integrations with internal tools, complex conditional logic, or data processing that goes beyond simple field mapping. I've seen development teams use N8N to create sophisticated CI/CD pipelines, data synchronization between custom applications, and complex business process automation. One powerful N8N use case is creating custom APIs. You can build workflows that accept webhook data, process it with your business logic, and return responses. This effectively lets you create serverless functions through the visual interface. For companies with strict data governance requirements, N8N's self-hosting capability is invaluable. You maintain complete control over where your data goes and how it's processed. Let's talk about getting help when things go wrong, because they will. Zapier has professional support, extensive documentation, and a large community of users. Their help articles are comprehensive, and their support team is responsive for paid plans. You'll find solutions to common problems quickly because millions of people use Zapier. The Zapier community forum is active, and there are countless tutorials and courses available online. When you're stuck, you can usually find someone who's solved your exact problem. N8N has a growing but smaller community centered around their forum and Discord server. However, the community is highly technical and helpful for complex problems. The documentation is good but assumes more technical knowledge than Zapier's. Being open source, N8N benefits from community contributions. New nodes, bug fixes, and features often come from users. This means the platform evolves quickly, but it also means you might encounter bugs or incomplete features. For enterprise users, both platforms offer dedicated support, but Zapier's enterprise offerings are more mature and comprehensive. Performance matters when you're running critical business automation. Zapier has excellent uptime and reliability. Their infrastructure is battle-tested, and they handle millions of automations daily. When Zapier is down, it makes the news because it's so rare. Their retry mechanisms and error handling are sophisticated. However, Zapier can sometimes have delays during peak usage, and you're dependent on their infrastructure. If Zapier has issues, all your automations stop. N8N's performance depends on how you deploy it. Self-hosted N8N can be incredibly fast because you control the resources, but you're also responsible for maintenance, updates, and reliability. The cloud version performs well but is newer and less battle-tested than Zapier. N8N workflows can handle larger datasets and more complex processing because you can allocate resources as needed. For high-performance scenarios, N8N can be superior if properly configured. Security is crucial when automation tools handle your business data. Zapier is SOC 2 compliant, follows industry-standard security practices, and undergoes regular audits. Your data is encrypted in transit and at rest. For most businesses, Zapier's security is more than adequate. However, with Zapier, your data passes through their servers and potentially to third-party app servers. For highly sensitive data, this might be a concern. N8N offers unique security advantages through self-hosting. Your data can stay entirely within your infrastructure, giving you complete control over security, compliance, and data residency. This is invaluable for healthcare, finance, or other regulated industries. The N8N cloud version follows standard security practices but is newer than Zapier's infrastructure. For self-hosted deployments, security depends entirely on your configuration and maintenance. Let's think about the long-term implications of your choice. Zapier is the established leader with consistent development, regular new integrations, and a sustainable business model. They're likely to be around and improving for years to come. However, you're locked into their ecosystem and pricing structure. N8N represents the future of open automation, community-driven, flexible, and not controlled by a single company. The open-source nature means it can evolve rapidly and won't disappear if one company fails. However, open-source projects can sometimes lose momentum or change direction. For businesses wanting to avoid vendor lock-in, N8N's open-source nature and data portability are significant advantages. After extensive testing and real-world usage, here's my honest recommendation. Choose Zapier. If you want automation that just works, you prefer professional support and reliability. Your team isn't technical, you're using standard business applications, and you don't mind paying more for simplicity and peace of mind. Choose N8N. If you want maximum flexibility and control, you have technical skills or team members who do, you need to handle sensitive data internally, you want to minimize long-term costs, or you need complex workflows that go beyond standard automation. My personal recommendation? Start with Zapier if you're new to automation or running a standard business with common tools. Consider N8N when you outgrow Zapier's limitations, need more complex workflows, or want to reduce costs for high-volume automation. For most small to medium businesses, Zapier's ease of use and reliability outweigh N8N's flexibility. For technical teams, growing companies, or those with specific security requirements, N8N offers capabilities that Zapier simply cannot match. That's my complete breakdown of N8N versus Zapier. Which platform are you leaning toward? Are you team simplicity or team flexibility? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what kind of automation workflows you're trying to build. If this comparison helped you make a decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more automation and productivity tool reviews. I've got plenty more platform battles and tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best automation platform is the one you'll actually use consistently. Choose based on your real needs, not just the coolest features. See you in the next video.